Okay. So good morning, students. So today we will just try to make you understand about the next chapter of class 10, subject maths, obviously, pair of linear equations in two variable. So from the topic itself, we can come to understand that pair of linear equations. Just linear equation means we know very well whose degree is 1. Suppose if one variable, linear equation of one variable, if I say, then I can write as ax plus b. But here the linear equations of two variable, because here variable of one variable is only one variable has been used. But if I say linear equation of two variables, then I can write an example like ax plus by plus c. So this is the two variable equations. Suppose x is one variable and y is another variable, which is, suppose if as it is an equation, so obviously equal to 0 here, this is also equal to 0. Otherwise it will be a polynomial, we know very well. Because whenever I am writing any algebraic expression ax plus b, this is what? This is a polynomial. This is the polynomial. But if this polynomial ax plus b equal to 0, or you can say equate to 0, whenever any polynomial, whether it is a linear, whether it is a quadratic, whether it is a cubic, any polynomial, if it is equate to 0, then it turns into an equation. So this is a polynomial and this is an equation, as this polynomial equate to 0. So as we are studying about the equation, whether linear equations, so linear means a degree should be 1 of one variable, that means only one variable has been used, and linear equations of two variable means two variable will be used. Here when two variables are x and y, two variables has been used. So upon these, what different types of maths we will study over this, that is linear equations of two variable. So actually what is the meaning of a linear equations of two variable, how we can write, how I can write, how we can express, this is the way I hope I make you understand. Now let us start with one problem. I will discuss this problem so that it will be more clear to you. Suppose one problem has been given in such a way that 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. You have to represent these two linear pair of linear equations of two variables over a graph. Then what you will do? So it's when solution. So suppose you are taking the first equation 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we know very well what we are doing. We are just taking y one side and x another side, that is y equal to 5 minus 3x. Correct? So when we are writing 5 minus 3x, now put the value x, y. So when x equal to 0, you are choosing x equal to 0. So when over this expression, when x will be 0, at that time what the value of y we are getting? 3 into 0 will be 0. So 5 minus 0 will be 5. So y will be 5. Next, if suppose you are taking y equal to 0, if you are taking y equal to 0, then this part will be 0. Then x will be what? That means what actually you are getting? 0 equal to 5 minus 3x. So ultimately you are getting 3x equal to 5 or x equal to 5 by 3. So 5 by 3. Now one question, it is coming to your mind that sir, why you have taken here once x equal to 0 and y once y equal to 0. It's a very common thing that whenever we are taking over the x-axis and y-axis, suppose I have drawn the y-axis at first, then x-axis. Now if I want to draw this line, that is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, at that time we have to detect the intersecting point over on which that line is intersecting at the point x, means x-axis and y-axis. So this coordinate, whenever we are writing over the coordinate system, this point is what? 0, 5, and this point is 5 by 3, 0. That means what? This coordinate is lying over where? When abscissa is 0, at that time, when abscissa is 0, at that time that point is lying over the y-axis, and when ordinate is 0, at that time the coordinate is lying over the x-axis. That means what? The line, the specific, this line, you have got the two specific coordinate, one which is over the x-axis and one is over the y-axis. So easily you can detect it. So let us start. Suppose this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Up to this much is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at here, 0, 5. That means this point. Yes, students? And 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 means what? If you divide 5 by 3, that means 1 upon 2 by 3. 1 upon 2 by 3. That means obviously it is in between 1 and 2. Here suppose. So that means you have got two coordinates, one over the x-axis and one over the y-axis. Now you just join these two points and write over here 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. The first line you have drawn over the coordinate system. Now it is clear. Now if you are taking the second one means I am rubbing this part because of shortage of space. Next, 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so again minus y will be what? 5 minus 2x. That means y will be 2x minus 5. Okay, now again x and y. Similarly x comma y. When x equal to 0, you are choosing from yourself x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, this part is 0. So y will be minus 5. So coordinate you are getting 0, minus 5. Very good. Next is when y equal to 0. When you are choosing y equal to 0, that means 0 equal to 2x minus 5. That means 2x equal to 5. Means x equal to 5 by 2. That means 2.5. That means when y equal to 0, you are getting this one as 2.5. Correct? Okay. That means coordinate you are getting what? 2.5, 0. So first one is 0, minus 5. That means this one. Yes, students? And next one is what? 2.5. That means this is 2 and this is 2.5. So if you join once again, if you join this coordinate like this way, and over there if you write here 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0, you have to write this line represent this one, this line represent this one. You have to write. So first of all, that means what? In both the cases, what you have taken? First, once x equal to 0, so automatically you are getting the value of y, and once you have to take y equal to 0, at that time you will get the value of x. Like that way. Draw it over the graph. So after that we will study about the types of the solution. Types of solution. Now look at here, students, very carefully. Equation. On base of this chapter only I am talking about. it has been divided into two parts. First one is over the solution, okay? First one is consistent and another one is inconsistent. Okay, consistent has been two part. Again, one is unique solution, another one is infinite infinitely many solution. And under inconsistence, the thing is coming as no solution, as it is inconsistent. So students, pay attention over here. Types of solution, three different types of solutions you are getting here. First one is unique solution under the consistent. First of all, equation has been divided into two parts. Equations, whatever the equations, obviously which type of equations, students? Obviously pair of linear equations or the linear equations of two variables you will get. Now whatever the linear equations of two variables, suppose ax plus by plus c, for example I am writing over here only ax plus by plus c equal to 0, which is a linear equation of two variables, you will get two different types of equations. And first one is consistent type of equations, another one is inconsistent type of equations. Under the consistent, there are the two things. One is unique solution, another one is infinitely many solutions. And under the inconsistence, there will be no solutions. Okay? Okay. So today, after that, we will just study about consistent equations with the unique solution. So I have taken one example, x plus 2y equal to 4 and 7x plus 4y equal to 18. So now we will solve one by one. So first of all, take the first one, that is x plus 2y equal to 4. Now if I take x equal to 0, the y will come as 2, correct? So the coordinates will get as 0, 2. Now if I take y equal to 0, then x will be 4. So 4, 0. Next, for the second equation, that is 7x plus 4y equal to 18. In that case, if I take x equal to 0, y will be 18 by 4, that is 9 by 2, means 4.5. Okay. Now next, if I take y equal to 0, then x will be 18 by 7, that is 2.6. Now let us take the graph over the graph. So suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I am just plotting to make you understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it is enough. So first point, what I have got is first coordinate is 0, 2, which is over the y-axis. 0, 2. And next one is 4, 0. So this one. So now if I join, this is the line. Next 0, 4.5. That means this one. And 2.6.0. That means this is 2.5. If I take this one, it will be much better. So now if I join, like this way it is coming. So this line is nothing but x plus 2y equal to 4, and this line is 7x plus 4y equal to 18. Now check it out, that these two lines, whatever I have drawn or whatever the lines we have taken, they are intersecting at a single point. That's why it is noted as unique solution. Now let us find the unique side or this point. If I want to find out the coordinates of this point, how you will find out? So first, from the first equation, ax plus 2y equal to 4. From there, if I take y equal to what it comes, 4 minus ax by 2. And from the second expressions, 7x plus 4y equal to 18. From there, y is coming as 18 minus 7x by 4. So now equate it. What you are getting? 4 minus x by 2 is equal to 18 minus 7x by 4. So if I solve, automatically it will get 16 minus 4x equal to 36 minus 14x. So ultimately you are getting 36 minus 16 is equal to minus 4x plus 14x. So ultimately you are getting 20 equal to 10x. So x equal to 2. Correct? X equal to 2. So now put the value of x in any expression, either this one or this one. In any one, if you put, no problem, the first one I have taken, y equal to 4 minus x by 2. If I put there, that is x equal to 2. So 4 minus 2 by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So the coordinate is coming as x, y. If I take x comma y, so x is coming 2 and y is coming 1. So this is 2 comma 1. So I have clear. So whenever we are taking the two pair of lines which are having the two variables, how it will be a unique solution? Look at here. These are the good examples of the two pair of linear equations which are having the only the one solution, that is a unique solution. Only one solution we are getting. If I extend this line, this side or this side, similarly, if I extend this line also, this side and this side, never they will meet. So they are just intersecting at a one and only one single point. That's why it is known as unique solution. I hope it is clear, students. Now second one is inconsistent equations with infinitely many solutions. The second part. So I have taken one example, just like as 2x plus 4y equal to 9 and 3x plus 6y equal to 27 by 2. So here only, if I take the first one, 2x plus 4y equal to 9. Let us see what it came. If I take x equal to 0, then y is coming 9 by 4. Means 0 comma 9 by 4. In similar way, if I put y equal to 0, then x is coming 9 by 2. That means 9 by 2 0. Now take the second part, 3x plus 6y equal to 27 by 2. Here also let us take in such a way. If I take x equal to 0, then y is coming 27 by 12. If I take x equal to 0, then y is coming 27 by 12. And if I take y equal to 0, then x is coming 27 by 6. Correct? Now if I plot, now look at here, 9 by 2 and here 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 means what? If I divide 9 by 4, what it means? .2.25, correct? So that means the point is 0.2.25 and here 4.50. Here if I divide 27 by 12, then what it gains? Let us check it out. 27 by 12. Here also 12 2s are 24, 3, 0. If I put this 2, 24, 6, 0, 5. So here also coming 0, 2.25. And if I divide 27 by 6, there it comes. There automatically it will come 4.50. Now check it out. Here it came 0 and 2.25, 4.5 and 0. So here also the same. So that means if this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. If I proceed in such a way, 0, 2.25, it will come over here, 4.50 here. So if I draw a line, it will like this way. For first one, that is 2x plus 4y equal to 9. In similarly, for the second one, that is 3x plus 6y equal to 27 by 2, here also if I take the same coordinates are coming, that means the same line, that means the same line represent also 3x plus 6y equal to 27 by 2. That means all these are line. Look at here. This is a common line. Or the line, what is the definition of line? What we know, that line is a locus of a point. Locus of a point. That means if I join so many points, a line will be formed. That means in a line there are so many points are there. That's why here a same line, that's why infinitely many solutions. I hope the students you got it. So that means as it is coming a common line, so there are infinitely many solutions. Clear? Okay. So we have already discussed the first one, that is the consistent equations of unique solutions. That means one solution we have got. Second one, we have also discussed consistent equations of infinitely many solutions, where the lines are coincide over each other. That's why there were so many points, so many solutions are there. Now the third one, that is inconsistent equations, where we know very well there will be what? No solution. So I have taken one example here, 4x plus 2y equal to 10 and 6x plus 3y equal to 6. So let us take the first one, 4x plus 2y equal to 10. Here, let us check it out. If I take x equal to 0, then y will be what? 10 by 5 means 10 by 2 means 5. That means 0, 5. And if I take y equal to 0, then x will be 10 by 4. That means 10 by 4. That means 5 by 2. That means 2.5. 2.5, 0. This is the first part over. Now for the second equations, let us take the second equation, that is 6x plus 3y equal to 6. Here also if I take x, y and x comma y, then what it will be? Suppose if x equal to 0, then y will be 6 by 3. If x equal to 0, y will be 6 by 3, that means 2. And if I take y equal to 0, x will be 6 by 6, that is 1. That is 1 comma 0. I hope it is clear, students. Now let us draw over the graph. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have taken very randomly. You will draw over the graph paper very minutely with taking the equal distances. So the first point is 0, 5 over here, and next one is 2.50. 2.50 means over here. So let us join the point. And second one is what? Second one is 0, 2. 0, 2 over here, and 1, 0 over here. So let us join the line points. Look at here. Both the lines, this is the first one, that is 4x plus 2y equal to 10, and this is the second one, that is 6x plus 3y equal to 6. Both the lines, more or less, they are parallel. That means what? They never meet each other. That's why there will be no solutions. If the two lines never meet each other, they never intersect each other, so we will not get the common point. So no solutions. I hope it is clear. Oh. Okay, now come in a brief. So suppose two equations I have taken, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now students, please note it down these things. Types of equations. Three types of equations just now we have discussed. This is the number 1, this is the number 2, and this is the number 3. Number 1, consistent with unique solution, consistent with many solutions, number 2, and third one, inconsistent, there is a no solution. Now types of lines. If it is consistent with unique solution, then they will be intersecting lines, and obviously they will just look like this way. This is the first line, suppose. This is the second line. This is the number 1. Intersecting lines, where a1 by a2 will not equal to b1 by b2. This is a compare of the ratios, and we have to remember these things, students. For the second part, when it is a consistent with many solutions, that is a coincident lines, means one line is overlapping with other line, like this way. Suppose number 2. Suppose this is another first line, and the second line is just over it. Just over it. This is the coincident lines, where a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 as well as equal to c1 by c2. And the third and the last one, that is inconsistent, where no solution is there, where we will get the parallel line. Suppose this is the one line and this is the another line, which is the parallel lines, where we are getting a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. I hope it is clear, students. So we have to remember, for the unique solutions, that means for the one solutions, or when there is unique means one solutions, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. For many solutions, infinitely many solutions, we will get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and for no solutions we will get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. I hope it is clear.